In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload more than one photo on Facebook quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to share multiple pictures in one post, whether it's from a trip, an event, a product showcase, or just a collection of memories, this simple method will save you time and keep everything organized in one place. Instead of posting each photo separately, you can upload several photos together in a single Facebook post. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to your feed or profile where you want to make a post. At the top, you'll see the box that says, "What's on your mind?" Click inside that box to start creating a new post. Once the post window opens, look for the photo or video option and click it. This tells Facebook that you want to add media to your post. After that, a file window will appear on your computer. Now here's the key step. To upload more than one photo, hold down the Ctrl key on Windows while clicking each photo you want to upload. If you're using a Mac, you would usually hold the Command key instead. Keep selecting the images you want, and once they're highlighted, click Open. Facebook will now begin loading all of your selected photos into the post at the same time. Give it a moment to finish uploading, especially if the files are large or your internet connection is slow. Once the photos are loaded, you can review the order and make sure everything looks right. If you want, you can also add a caption to describe the photos, give context, or include hashtags. This part is optional, but it can help make your post more engaging. You can also tag people, add a location, or make any other adjustments before posting. When you're happy with everything, click Post. Facebook will publish all of your selected photos together in one post for your friends or followers to see. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload more than one photo on Facebook in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to share albums, stories, updates, and memories without having to upload each image one by one. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.